Political experts and analysts have said that human rights violations have witnessed a massive increase in the territory since Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government revoked Article 370 in August 2019. Political experts said over 700 Kashmiris have been martyred, more than 2,300 injured, at least 18,300 arrested in the occupied territory since Modi regime's 5th August 2019 unilateral illegal move. Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Mirwaiz Umar Farooq, has said that the open threat of jails and incarceration to the Hurriyat leadership by members of the Indian ruling Bharatiya Janata Party will not change the reality that the Kashmir dispute between India and Pakistan needs a resolution. Mirwaiz strongly denounced the assertion of senior BJP leader Sunil Sharma that the Hurriyat leaders had only two options left, either to join the pro-India politics or go to jail. Pakistan has categorically rejected India's baseless propaganda directed against Pakistan at the meeting of UN Counter-Terrorism Committee held in Mumbai. The Foreign Office in a statement said it is regrettable that India chose to use an important committee of the UN Security Council to mislead the international community about Pakistan's role in countering global terrorism. Pakistan's ambassador to the US, Masood Khan, has warned that the prevailing turbulent situation in the occupied territory can lead to escalation of tensions between Pakistan and India. He said there is a persistent threat that the two countries can use their strategic weapons in case a war erupts. Border dispute between Himachal Pradesh and Ladakh region has taken the center stage ahead of the assembly elections to be held on November 12 in Himachal Pradesh. The residents of Lahaul area of Himachal Pradesh claim that the residents of Leh in Ladakh have intruded 17 kilometers into Himachal's territory. They said that they have been deprived of their livelihood at camping sites during the summer season.